Welcome back to the Daily Show with Spiral Strategies, giving you the latest crypto market updates. So let's get started. And we still have Bitcoin ranging as previously discussed in our daily shows, still ranging between $60,000 and $69,000. Quite a big range, and with the volume dropping off as well, we're probably going to see a big move coming soon. Now, it's going to be dependent on how these levels kind of play out. We're getting close to apex cycles here on our market structure levels. Now, we've got levels here apexing at around April, so we've got probably a couple more days for this to kind of play out and kind of really give us a bigger signal or some bigger telltale signs on what we're kind of going to do moving forward. Now, there's a couple of possibilities that we'll quickly play at. Let's get started with our bearish hypothesis. We've got a potential harmonic that's playing out here. We've got the bearish bat harmonic here. Now, this kind of plays out in the scenario where we get a push here with the support at this blue trend line here, along with our moving averages, holding steady, where we had that 200 simple moving average on our 4-hourly time frame supporting this kind of market structure. Now, this is kind of bullish. We're seeing bullish signs in our MACD as well, but let's not be too complacent. Even though we've got bull confirmed divs, we haven't got that structure kind of play out. But at the same time, it's those mixed signals where we've got the bears in the volume kind of taking over, but we've got some bullish divergences on our MACD, and structurally speaking, we're in that kind of range as well. So we're kind of really playing at the hands of kind of fate here. So we've definitely got to wait to see how it plays out. But one of the hypotheses that I have come up with, I probably did not say that word right, but we're looking to basically take a stab up into the $72,000 level and collapse from here, and essentially make a move back down to our $50,000 support here. Now, that would be scenario 1, and that is our bearish scenario play. Now, from a bullish perspective, we do want to see this kind of trend continue as we head up into our apex. We do want to see this structure hold and actually break out above, and then obviously we want to look to make a close above our $74,000 level. That would be our bullish case, and that would take us all the way up to $88,000, and who knows where that might be time frame wise, if that comes in before or after halving. But we'll have to wait and see. Still playing at that kind of apex, triangle apex that we've been talking about for the past couple of days. So let's wait and see how this plays out. Even on our 8-hourly time frame, we've got this triangle here that's definitely consolidating. So we're waiting to see how this breaks. And usually for ascending triangles, we usually do see some market structure break. What I think is going to happen, and this is probably a high percentage play or high percentage scenario, where we'll see a breakout, and this is going to be a fake out, right? We're going to see a fake out stab, playing out that bearish harmonic, breaking market structure, going all the way back down. The standard typical kind of play would be that we kind of liaise and just meander around this kind of level, break down, and head on over to our $50,000 level. That would be the standard, so to speak, play. Now, like I said, there's that possibility where we get that fake out, and that's kind of what I'm thinking. So stay tuned, because if this plays out, we're going to call it here, and then see a breakdown into that $50,000 level. Uh, that's my kind of play on Bitcoin at the moment. Even though it probably sounds far-fetched, it's still in the books. Don't be too shocked if we do see that move back down somewhere around our $55,000 level. Now let's head on into Ethereum, because with Ethereum it's kind of similar kind of play where we're kind of in that range, and it is a bearish perspective where we're kind of banging up multiple times against this $3,500 level. So looking to go sideways here and just play out this kind of channel. Now, market structural wise, I mean, it's kind of almost playing out the same in a way as Bitcoin as well, where we have this potential stab up to hit these levels here as well, and just fall off, break down into 2600. Usually, if the case for Bitcoin is that it's going to be a bear basically, then that gives Ethereum green light as well to also follow. And with Bitcoin being the main market leader, it's gonna drag everything else down. So if we do end up with that potentially small time frame where everything kind of just drops off, don't be surprised if that is the case, and that'd be a good time to pick up some cheap coins, cheap altcoins, cheap Bitcoin. So stay tuned for that. Same thing on our volume. We see the volume just dropping off. It's getting really quiet, and any kind of news either way. But seeing the news lately, it's the sentiment's been quite bearish, to be completely honest, and we'll have to wait and see how that kind of plays out. Same thing with Ethereum. On our 4-hourly time frames, we're seeing those bull divs come in, giving us that conflicting information. So the market's definitely telling us, be careful. We've got so many conflicting messages here, and we're building towards something, and that something is going to be, in my opinion, it's going to be on that bear side. So stay tuned for our next daily market updates, guys. We'll keep you posted, and we'll see how those levels play out. And in the meantime, don't forget to comment down below on any suggestions you guys would like us to take a deep dive look into, and we'll leave it at that. Alrighty guys, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Peace.